Hey folks, Leo Johnson with MarineMax Lake Norman. Welcome back. Today you join me in front of a 2026 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk, a true classic, the unsinkable legend. This particular boat is very well optioned, finished in the platinum gel coat exterior with the black graphics. It's got the tandem axle galvanized trailer that you see it with here. In addition to the specification on the outside, this boat's gonna have the black powder coated T-top and ski tow bar out back. Lots of other great options inside. We're very excited to have this boat in inventory. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Starting out of the back of this boat, it's powered with the 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. This is the upgraded propulsion on this boat. And again, it's got that ski tow bar. Just off the back here on the port side, you'll see a 3-step telescoping stainless steel ladder on that little swim platform area. This boat's also got the rear jump seats, which can be stowed away super easily when not in use. They pop out here, can be stowed away, and turns into 2 additional rod holders there. Other equipment on this particular boat, in addition to those rear jump seats, we've got the standard high rails in the back here. It's a really nice option. We've got the JL audio speakers out back. We've got a couple more forward as well. Here in the leaning post, we've got 4 positions. We can customize the seating position to your liking, as well as have rear facing seating. Under here, you've got the optional live well on this boat. It's very well set up for fishing, pre-rigged with the trolling motor up front as well, which you'll see here in a second. At the helm, really great place to be. This nice, robust T-top. Got the stainless steel steering wheel, JL audio head unit here to control that speaker system. The Simrad NSX series screen here. We've also got 2 Mercury gauges here for your speed and RPM, and some switching here for your lights, horn, and things like that. Walking around the port side of this console here, you're gonna have some storage underneath with access to your batteries, as well as some dedicated storage here. Again, this boat is pre-wired for the trolling motor, so you'll have 2 battery trays in there. Got the propeller in there right now, but a lot of good storage space for the cover and other items like that. Coming further forward, we've got the Igloo cooler up here with the cushion on top, as well as the seat back. You're also gonna have a nice cushion up here, and you see that trolling motor pre-wire right up there at the very front. One last thing I want to point out here on the starboard side of this 19 Montauk, this particular boat, with it having the fishing package, is going to have this tackle box storage here. It's a really nice setup, great for general storage, and then dedicated space for a fire extinguisher as well. It's been a quick overview of this new in-stock 2026 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you have any questions on this boat or any others, give us a call. Check us out at marinemax.com or stop by today. Thanks for watching.